back, guys, to the Ranger 400 quick unboxing. Let's see what we have here. It seems you open it up from this side. It looks like they put some tape there, so there we go. It's contained in a foam box, as you would expect it to, and the remote is on the bottom, and the actual plane is on the top. Very nicely packaged. Much smaller than I expected it to be, but hopefully it will perform better than some of the other planes that I've bought recently from Hobby Zone. So I'm hopeful for that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will show you what this looks like when I unbox it fully. Thanks.